Amazon's Black Friday 2025 sale is live, and survival gear lovers are in for a treat. The site is flooded with deals, but not all of them are worth your money. I've filtered through the noise to pick the 20 best survival gear deals that offer real value. From outdoor essentials to emergency preparedness tools, these are the discounts you don't want to miss. Stick around till the end, because stock is limited and the best offers usually disappear first. All product links are in the description.
Everyday tasks can take a toll on your body, leaving you stressed and in need of relief. Introducing the Ergostone Pebble, a versatile solution that offers instant cooling or soothing warmth to help your body recover and relax. Whether dealing with sports injuries or stiffness or simply wanting to unwind, this pad increases blood flow with gentle heat or provides cooling relief when needed. Inspired by Nordic nature, the Ergostone Pebble features a sleek, minimalist design and is made from sustainable, durable soapstone sourced from the mountains of northern Sweden. Its exceptional thermal properties make it a portable and effective way to improve your overall well-being wherever you go. A dependable and durable knife is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and anyone tackling tough cutting tasks. The OERLA OLK-D47 Tactical Fixed Blade Knife is expertly crafted to deliver superior performance and reliability. Made from high-carbon D2 steel, its razor-sharp blade retains its edge for long-term use, making it perfect for camping, hunting, and survival scenarios. The full-tang design ensures strength and stability, while the ergonomic G10 handle, complete with a finger guard indentation, provides a secure, non-slip grip for maximum comfort and control. Designed in collaboration with a retired veteran, its precision blade curve enhances cutting efficiency. Featuring a lightweight, durable Kydex sheath with adjustable belt clips for versatile horizontal or vertical carry, the OERLA is a practical and rugged tool for all your outdoor adventures. Finding a shirt that's both stylish and functional for outdoor adventures and everyday wear can be a challenge. Introducing the Terran Bamboo Shirt, a versatile, comfortable, and durable button-up, made from a soft, strong, and sustainable bamboo blend. It features 4-way stretch for maximum mobility, moisture-wicking, quick-drying fabric, and natural antimicrobial properties to keep you fresh. The PFC-free DWR coating provides stain and water resistance, while built-in sun protection shields you from harmful UV rays. Additional features include a hidden lens cleaner for sunglasses, wrinkle resistance, and even flint and tinder color stays for fire starting. This is the ultimate all-around shirt for adventure and everyday life. In outdoor adventures, having compact, multifunctional tools can make a crucial difference in emergencies. The Oadnfa survival bracelets are designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable, versatile gear at hand. Made from high-quality 550 paracords, this bracelet includes a 12-foot detachable parachute rope, which can support up to 550 pounds, making it perfect for various survival tasks like towing and binding. The bracelet also features essential tools like a fire starter, embedded compass, whistle, and rope cutter, offering practical solutions during emergencies. With its stylish design and secure metal double buckle, the bracelet provides functionality and a sense of security. Compact and easy to carry, it is ideal for camping, hiking, or any adventure where preparedness is key. This survival bracelet is also a great gift for loved ones who enjoy outdoor activities. When living an active lifestyle, you need a reliable bag to keep clean and dirty items separate while saving space. Meet the Guide Waterproof Bag, designed for exactly that, with a durable, waterproof coating and a strong molecular seal. This bag features a waterproof zipper to prevent liquid seepage and keeps odors locked in or out. With a one-way air release valve and airtight zipper, it compresses to fit more in tight spaces, making travel and storage easier. The bag also includes 6 attachment points and adjustable straps, allowing you to customize the way you wear or carry it, making it versatile for any situation throughout your day. When it comes to outdoor adventures, having a reliable and durable rope is essential for safety and practicality. Meet the 3 VIKINGS Paracord rope, a heavy-duty military-grade Type 4, 750-pound nylon rope designed for ultimate strength and versatility. This rope features an 11-strand core that ensures a minimum breaking strength of 750 pounds, making it stronger than a traditional 550 cord. It is UV and abrasion resistant, ensuring long-lasting use even in harsh weather conditions. The vibrant colors maintain their appearance over time, adding style to its functionality. The continuous spool design eliminates the hassle of multiple cuts and joins, allowing for easy use and storage. Perfect for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, survival situations, or any task requiring a dependable and high-strength rope, this paracord is a must-have addition to your gear. When facing harsh weather, you need a jacket designed for actual movement and comfort, not just looks. The DuNorr Alce Hardshell jacket is crafted for real-world conditions, offering an ultralight, waterproof design with 3-layer material and fully taped seams. This jacket provides premium winter sports features like multiple venting options, built-in wrist gaiters, and soft contact points. It's custom built to fit you, with tailored sleeve lengths, extra torso coverage, and a detachable powder skirt for better protection. The jacket also includes convenient pockets for ski passes, a hidden chamois for goggles, and customizable color options. Perfect for active outdoor enthusiasts, this jacket adapts to every adventure, offering both function and style. In emergencies, having the right tool to escape a vehicle can make the difference between life and death. Introducing the SINSEN Car Safety Hammer, an essential automotive survival tool, featuring a tungsten steel alloy head that efficiently breaks windows in seconds, even underwater. This 2-pack set includes a seatbelt cutter for quick release, ensuring you can escape from any situation swiftly. Compact and lightweight, its portable design allows you to carry it on your keychain or in your pocket, making it easy to access during emergencies. With its spring-loaded mechanism, the tool ensures high efficiency, providing powerful impact with minimal effort. The sharp cutter and window breaker work seamlessly, making it a must-have for anyone seeking extra safety in their car, especially during accidents or underwater emergencies. When you're on the go, having a reliable and flexible way to protect your essentials is key. Meet the 2.0 pouch, designed to be the most versatile pouch ever, offering super thick material for protection against drops, impacts, splashes, dirt, and dust. Its flexible and stretchy design molds to the shape of anything inside, ensuring a snug fit. The unique hood closure system guarantees a secure, seamless closure every time, eliminating the need for buttons, clips, or zippers. With triple thread stitching, it provides durability and impact protection, making it ideal for electronics, makeup, toiletries, camera gear, and more. Perfect for travel and everyday use, it's the ultimate all-purpose pouch. Outdoor tasks demand durable tools that combine strength and versatility to tackle any challenge effectively. The WORKPRO axe and fixed blade knife is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Featuring full-tang stainless steel blades, this combo delivers exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and edge retention. The handles, crafted from polished black wood, ensure a secure and ergonomic grip for extended use, while the textured anti-skid groove prevents slipping and enhances safety. The sharp axe blade provides excellent striking force and depth, ideal for chopping, splitting, or crafting. For added convenience, the set includes a protective sheath with snap button closure and a belt loop for easy carrying. Whether camping, hiking, gardening, or tackling farm projects, this combo set is an essential tool for reliable outdoor performance. For athletes looking to enhance their workouts without the need for bulky equipment, a versatile and portable solution is essential. The HydraTech Fitness Vest offers a revolutionary approach to weight training, using water to provide adjustable resistance. The vest is compact and weighs only 3.5 pounds when empty, but can be filled to reach 25 pounds of weight. Its leak-proof, water-filled sleeves create a dynamic training effect, engaging stabilizer muscles and strengthening your core with every movement. Designed for comfort, the vest adapts to various training methods and includes a quick-release valve for adjusting the weight. Ideal for any athlete, it's the perfect companion for workouts at the gym, home, or outdoors. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining energy and focus, especially during an active lifestyle. Introducing the Vapur Element Flexible Water Bottle, the perfect companion for on-the-go hydration. Designed as an anti-bottle, it stands upright when full and folds flat when empty for effortless storage in your pocket, purse, or backpack. Lightweight at under 2 ounces, it's ideal for kids, dogs, or anyone who values portability. The wide mouth design allows easy filling, while the flip spout ensures quick, spill-proof sipping. Constructed from durable, BPA-free food-grade material, this collapsible water bottle is dishwasher safe, making it eco-friendly and reusable for years. Its detachable carabiner makes it easy to attach to bags for outdoor adventures. With the Vapur element, staying hydrated has never been so convenient or sustainable. A functional and compact wallet is essential for keeping your essentials secure and easily accessible. The Trayvax Element Wallet combines minimalist design with superior functionality, featuring RFID protection to safeguard your cards from digital theft. Made with oil-tanned top-grain leather and a stainless steel frame, it boasts a slim profile that comfortably fits in your front pocket. This wallet holds 3 to 10 cards and includes a card slider window for quick access. For added convenience, it has a built-in money clip for cash and receipts, an integrated bottle opener, and mil-spec paracord binding. Proudly made in the USA, the Trayvax Element Wallet is designed to be durable, secure, and ready for any adventure. Emergencies strike without warning, making it crucial to have the right tools on hand to handle them effectively. The Surviveware Survival Medical Emergency Kit is your ultimate first aid companion, designed for both outdoor adventures and home safety. Built from rip-resistant 600D polyester, it ensures durability, while its water-resistant design safeguards the high-quality medical supplies inside. The kit features clearly labeled compartments for fast and stress-free access, even in high-pressure situations. It offers unmatched versatility and portability with premium components, a bonus 50-piece mini kit, and a removable, MOLLE-compatible panel. Whether strapped to your backpack, vehicle, or stored in your home, this kit is ready for any scenario. Its reflective lining enhances visibility, while heavy-duty zippers protect the contents. The Surviveware kit is not just a product, it's a life-saving solution for you and your loved ones. A reliable everyday carry knife should be sharp, durable, and easy to deploy, making it essential for daily tasks and outdoor adventures. Meet the StatGear Ausus Slim Folding Knife, designed for both style and performance, featuring a D2 steel blade for superior edge retention and durability. Its flipper-activated, ball-bearing deployment ensures effortless, smooth opening, while the liner lock mechanism provides secure operation. The G10 handle scales offer a lightweight yet solid grip, enhanced by aggressive jimping and a generous finger choil for ultimate control. Designed for convenience, it includes a tip-up, deep carry pocket clip, making it the perfect balance of functionality, strength, and sleek design for everyday use. Preparing for unexpected situations is essential for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or values readiness. Introducing the VEITORLD Survival Gear and Equipment, the ultimate 12-in-1 emergency survival kit, designed to meet the needs of hikers, campers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts. This compact set includes crucial tools such as a wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency blanket, flintstone scraper, flashlight, credit card multi-tool, and a spoon-fork combo, all packed in a durable, waterproof box. Perfect for fishing, hunting, backpacking, or travel, it ensures peace of mind in any scenario. A thoughtful gift for Christmas, birthdays, or Father's Day, it suits men, women, teens, and scouts. Designed for practicality and reliability, this gear provides essential tools to handle emergencies, making it a must-have for outdoor activities and adventure lovers. Finding a boot that blends rugged durability, everyday comfort, and classic style can be a challenge. Meet the Ridgemont Heritage, designed to honor the nostalgic alpine hiking boot while offering a modern, slimmed-down silhouette that fits seamlessly into everyday life. Crafted with a one-piece full-grain leather upper, it develops a unique patina over time. Heavy-duty D-rings, speed hooks, and a gusseted tongue ensure a secure fit and protection from debris. With a HydroGuard waterproof lining, wet socks are never an issue. The half-cup outsole with exposed EVA midsole provides all-day comfort, while the mildly lugged rubber tread ensures grip on any surface. Built for adventure yet stylish for daily wear, this is the boot for all occasions. A versatile, reliable tool can be an invaluable companion. The SIUPRO Multitool pocket knife combines utility and convenience in one compact design, making it a perfect gift for dads, husbands, or anyone who appreciates practical gadgets. This all-in-one tool includes a knife, pliers, can opener, bottle opener, and a 9-in-1 screwdriver bit kit, providing solutions for various needs. Crafted with durable stainless steel and coated with black oxidation, it's designed to withstand rugged use during activities like hiking, fishing, or camping. The upgrade features a sharper blade and a reinforced double material handle for enhanced durability. The safeguard locking mechanism also ensures safety during use, making this multi-tool a trusted partner for any task, from survival situations to everyday chores. Carrying camera gear on rugged adventures requires a backpack that is both durable and functional. The Shimoda adventure bags are designed to meet the needs of modern adventure photographers, offering unparalleled comfort, accessibility, and protection. Built with a 4-point adjustable harness, these backpacks provide a custom fit for different torso sizes. With side, top, and rear camera access, photographers can quickly grab their gear in any situation. The water-resistant, resin-coated shell ensures durability, while the expandable volume, modular core unit insert system, and hydration bladder compatibility make it versatile for any journey. With glove-friendly buckles, a rear laptop sleeve, and quick-access pockets, this bag is the ultimate companion for adventure photographers who demand reliability and innovation. In any situation, having a reliable, bright, and versatile light source can make all the difference. Glowstone is a powerful, compact flashlight designed to meet your lighting needs in various environments. With a maximum brightness of 2000 lumens, it provides exceptional illumination for up to 320 hours on low settings. This flashlight is equipped with temperature color adjustment, UV lighting, and a magnetic design, making it easily attachable to cars, cabinets, or walls for hands-free use. It also includes a stand clip for added versatility, allowing it to be worn or mounted wherever needed. Sealed for dust and water resistance, the Glowstone flashlight is durable and ready for any adventure, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Ideal for both professionals and everyday users, it's an essential tool in your kit.
That wraps up the 20 best survival gear deals for Amazon Black Friday 2025. If you found something useful, grab it while the price is still low, because these deals won't stay around for long. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up, or if you want a part 2 with more hand-picked gear. All product links with current pricing are in the description. Click fast, because Black Friday Amazon deals sell out quickly. If you want more honest reviews of everyday carry gear and the best budget survival gear deals, hit subscribe so you never miss a deal. Stay prepared and save big.